1. Drink plenty of water. You should drink at least 8 glasses during the day. Your body needs a whole lot of water. Water doesn't just flush all the toxins out of your body, but it makes you feel better and healthier. When you drink a lot of water, you just begin to feel fit, and this is the motivation you need to lose weight. 2. Start off your day with a fresh, clean glass of water. This will help your body to get going because it won't be fighting through dehydration. Also, after drinking a glass of water, you will not have to have too much breakfast. A glass of water awakens the entire digestive system in your body. You can drink your coffee or tea every morning, then you should drink a glass of water. Caffeine leaves you dehydrated, you will prevent this. 3. Drink a glass of water before sitting down for food. Water will naturally make you feel full, so you don't have to eat more. 4. Have a glass of water while you eat as well. Take a sip after each bite and feel full before eating too much. Drinking water while eating will also help your food settle faster. 5. Do your best to stay away from soda. All carbonated drinks are sweetened with a lot of sugar. Also, the carbonated drink may contain other chemicals and components that are not good for your body. If you are drinking a carbonated drink, fight with a glass of water. Remember, you can ask for caffeine. Caffeine and carbonated drinks are not healthy. 6. Juice is not as healthy as most people think. The juice actually has a lot of sugar. Instead of drinking a glass of juice, drink fresh juice. It would be better if you could make your own juice. Eat more fruit instead of drinking juice. Fruit provides your body with much needed fiber and vitamins. 7. Relax in tea and coffee. Too much it is harmless if you do not add cream and sugar. Sugar and cream become fattening. Definitely drink water afterwards. 8. If you need to drink tea and coffee, try to drink black. Black tea or coffee actually has health benefits, as long as you resist the caffeine in your body with a nice large glass of water. Caffeine is also not good for you because it affects the functions of metabolism in your body. Another type of tea that you can drink freely is green tea. Green tea has been used as a medicine in China for over 4,000 years. It aids the digestive system and can help ease an overly full stomach, and it has been linked to a reduction in cancer risk. 9. If you can say no to alcohol, then that is best. Alcohol beverages are not exactly good for you. Although a glass of red wine does have heart benefits, most are just fattening. Beer is especially fattening. Cocktails are fattening depending on what they are made of. For instance, whiskey and Coke. The whiskey may not be fattening, but the Coke definitely is. Plus, after a few drinks most people get the munchies, and when you're feeling a little inebriated and hungry you won't be able to make rational decisions regarding your diet, and it's usually late at night, just before you pass out from a night of drinking, that you overeat. The overall combination is just not a good one. 10. If you must have alcohol, try dry wine. Dry wine is better than your sweet wines, because sweet wines have more sugar. Dry wines have sugar, but most of it has been fermented away into alcohol, and from a weight-gaining perspective, dry is better. 11. Another word on coffee, that is not necessarily bad, but more interesting than anything. Some people have reported that when they drank black coffee before exercising, they lost more weight. There's no scientific proof to back this, but nutritionists believe it may be caused by the body being forced to depend on fat for fuel. Hey, it's worth trying if you can stand black coffee. Just remember to drink plenty of water during your exercise. 12. Avoid drinking excessive amounts of coffee as it naturally desensitizes your body. The fat-burning effects of caffeine. 1 or 2 glasses, max. To start the day.